A young guy born after 2000 got fired up after watching our restoration videos. He spent $100,000 to buy this, a Lexus 570 that originally cost $2 million. But unfortunately, the chassis is completely rusted and rotten. The engine is leaking oil and coolant. The interior looks like an archaeological site. No wonder it was so cheap. But the young guy came to me with a budget of $100,000 to restore it to like new condition. Now watch how I turn stone into gold. First, strip the entire interior and exterior. Separate the body from the frame. These bolts are really hard to remove. Finally got them off. Oh dear. Rubber bushings. The mounts are all stuck together. The chassis is a disaster. Oh my god. The bushings have rusted into particles. The bolts are about to snap from rust. The frame is severely corroded. It crumbles at the slightest touch. Do you know why it's rusted so badly? Do you think this frame is still worth repairing? Body and chassis fully separated. Even the mounts are rusted through. The price matches the condition. The frame is packed full of dirt inside and covered outside as well. All bushings are worn out. Too dirty to handle. First, give it a thorough cleaning. Remove the engine. Start disassembly. The engine is actually well maintained. Seals are age and snap-on touch. Really frustrating. The windshield is also bad. Slight coolant leakage detected. Clean everything thoroughly. Engine disassembly completed. Check the cylinders. Only minor scratches, as expected from its reputation. Ultrasonic cleaning. Continue stripping the chassis completely. Chassis disassembly completed. The original frame is too damaged. Got a replacement from a donor vehicle. Repolished and repainted. Heat curing. Bolts are sandblasted for rust removal. All parts fully restored. All worn parts replaced. Even small clips. Ensuring zero abnormal noise. Chassis restoration completed. Are you satisfied? Parts neatly arranged. One person, one engine, starting assembly. You know we're all. Robot battle. Visual tracking. Engine assembly completed. What else do you think needs improvement? Tell me in the comments. Next, repair the damaged body and undercarriage. All replaced with original factory parts. Restored weld points as original. Apply anti-rust protection to the chassis. Apply underbody coating. Mount the body on a rack. Move to the paint booth. Full sanding and repainting. Polish the entire paint surface. Repaint. Must be perfectly smooth. Start painting. So much work just after spraying. Engine mounted back onto chassis. Chassis ready. Body and chassis combined. All old frame bolts replaced with new ones. Frame alignment completed. Restored to like new driving quality. Before interior assembly. Start the engine. Most interior odor comes from here. Clean thoroughly and reapply sound insulation. Interior fully restored. Carpet clean and dry. Full car polishing. Stress release. Hunter wheel alignment to factory specs. Road test. Smooth acceleration. No abnormal noise on rough roads. Vehicle fully cleaned. If you like car restoration, like and follow to see the final result.